What does stroll mean? Stroll means to walk slowly and calmly, often for fun or relaxation. When you stroll, you enjoy your surroundings. For example, you might stroll through a park on a sunny day. As you walk, you can see the flowers and hear the birds singing. It's a peaceful way to enjoy nature. People also stroll along the beach, feeling the sand between their toes and listening to the waves. Strolling is not about exercise, it's about taking your time and enjoying the moment. Remember, you can stroll anywhere. Next time you are outside, take a stroll and appreciate the world around you. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun word explanations.